How to edit shortcut in Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, tap on the capture button to take a snap. You can edit the snap the way you want. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Send to share this snap with your friends. Here, you can select with whom you want to share the snap. Tap on the New option as shown. Then, tap on New Shortcut. You can use shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. Shortcuts are private to just you. Tap on the shortcut you want to edit. Then, tap on Save. Your shortcut is now updated. Go back to the previous page and you can find your new shortcut here. Tap on the shortcut to send the snap to all the friends or groups in that shortcut. Following these steps, you can easily edit shortcut in Snapchat.